video, we will be viewing about BIS Solution. BIS Solution is all-in-one product management software where you can manage the selling, purchasing, and accounting of your business. All types of business like supermarket, footwear, electronics, grocery store, clothing store, general store, etc. can be managed. There are three types of login: admin login, branch manager login, and sales login. In admin login, you can access everything. In branch manager login, you can access accounting and inventory related data. In sales login, you can access billing related data. Now let's see the module from login of admin. In setting module, first you need to set up all the information related to the company. In change password, you will be able to change the password. In ledger group list, you need to create the ledgers. In ledger type, ledger groups flags can be added. In branch management module, all the branches can be added. If it is the main branch, then tick on the main branch option. In employee management module, departments can be created. In employee, employees can be added department, branch, and designation wise. In attendance, branch wise and department wise attendance can be seen of all the employees. In accounting module, salary details of the employees can be viewed and their pay slips can be generated. In GST list, GST percentage can be added of different chapter and HSN code. In product management module, the product's brands along with its code can be added. In product type, brand's product type code, its type, and HSN code along with GST percentage can be added. In add product, you can add various type of products by selecting the brand name and its type and mention the product name. In UOM, the products of UOM can be selected along with its short code. In inventory module, suppliers detail can be added. In purchase master, orders can be added by clicking on add orders and entering all the necessary details. Multiple products order can also be added by clicking on add more. Its entry can also be edited. In purchase tax report, all the reports of the entries done in PO can be viewed. In generate barcode, PO number and product wise barcode can be generated. In available stock, stock report can be viewed of all the product available. In billing module, discount can be given on any product by selecting the product's flat or on percentage basis. In billing, all the details can be viewed product wise with the product purchased. In sales report, the product purchased can be viewed and the invoice can be generated. The remaining bill can also be paid by clicking on Pay Amount. In sales return, any unsatisfactory product can be returned by mentioning the product details. In sales tax report, the product purchased by customer will be in credit and product returned will be mentioned in debit. In import data, the data can be imported in bulk by downloading its format and adding all the data. In accounting module, expense detail can be viewed. New expenses can be added by clicking on Add Expense. In balance sheet, all the expenses, purchase and sales can be viewed on month and date wise. In ledger summary, branch wise summary can be viewed month and date wise. In MIS report, overall records can be viewed of all the branches. In bank statement, you can compare transactions with the actual bank statement. If you have any questions, queries or suggestion, you can click on help and support. Thank you so much for watching our video.